Step into the messy, magical world of muddy marvels, where farm and zoo animals are in desperate need of your help. After a heavy rainstorm, fields and enclosures have turned into muddy swamps, leaving cows, pigs, lions, and elephants stuck in the muck. It's up to you to roll up your sleeves, grab your tools, and become a heroic rescuer. With teamwork and creativity, you'll free these muddy friends and return them to safety, because every animal deserves a clean, happy home. This adventure is packed with fun challenges that test your problem-solving skills. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, 97 to 113 kilometers per hour in short bursts, typically over 200 to 300 meters. Cheetahs have long, slender bodies designed for speed, with a flexible spine. Chickens are the closest living relatives to the Tyrannosaurus rex, shared ancestry from theropod dinosaurs. Chickens can recognize over 100 faces, human and chicken, solve puzzles, and learn from observation. Tiger is the biggest species in the cat family and can weigh up to 300 kilograms. It uses its strength and stealth to hunt large animals like deer and buffalo. Tiger has a unique pattern of black stripes on its orange coat. These stripes help it Lions are apex predators. As the top predators in their ecosystem, lions play a crucial role in controlling the populations of herbivores and maintaining the balance of the food chain in their habitats. Lions can run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. Leopards are found in sub-Saharan Africa, parts of the Middle East, India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. Leopards eat a variety of prey, including deer, antelope, warthogs, monkeys, birds, and rodents. Leopards can thrive in a wide range of climates and conditions. Hippos are one of the largest land mammals. Adult male hippos can weigh up to 4,000 pounds, 1,800 kilograms, and females are usually a bit smaller. Despite their massive size, they can run surprisingly fast. Hippos spend most of their time in water. Bulls are adult male cattle, typically referred to as bulls when they have not been castrated. The females are called cows, and the young are calves. Bulls are known for their strength, often used for breeding purposes in herds, as well as for working in traditional farming or ranching environments. Pandas are native to the mountain ranges in central China, where they live in temperate forests with a lot of bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary animals. Each adult panda has its own home range, and they only come together during mating season. Pandas have a very short breeding season. Cows are herbivores, meaning they only eat plant-based food like grass, hay, and grains. They can eat for up to 8 hours a day, consuming around 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of food daily. Cows have 4 stomach chambers: the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Zebras are native to Africa, and there are three main species: the plains zebra, the Grevy's zebra, and the mountain zebra. Each species has slightly different characteristics and habitats. Zebras are herbivores and primarily eat grasses, leaves, and bark. Goats were domesticated over 10,000 years ago, making them one of the first animals humans kept for milk, meat, and hides. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them excellent peripheral vision. They can see nearly 320 degrees around them. Mountain goats are renowned for their exceptional climbing skills, navigating steep, rocky slopes with ease. Their muscular forelimbs and specialized hooves aid in this agility. Mountain goats are herbivores, feeding on a variety of plants. Black bears are omnivores, eating a wide variety of foods like berries, nuts, insects, fish, small mammals, and even carrion. Black bears live across North America, from Canada to Mexico, in forests, swamps, and mountainous regions. Ducks are omnivores, meaning they eat a variety of foods, including plants, insects, small fish, and algae. They often forage in ponds, lakes, and rivers for food. Ducks have waterproof feathers, thanks to a special oil gland. Horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years, originally used for transportation, farming, and warfare. Horses communicate using body language, ear position, tail movement, and vocalizations like neighs, snorts, and whinnies. Horses have excellent memories, especially for people and places. Giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world. Adult males can reach up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall, while females are typically a bit shorter, around 14 feet, 4.3 meters tall. Camels have humps that store fat, not water. Contrary to popular belief, their humps hold fat reserves that they can convert into energy and water when food is scarce. Camels can survive for weeks without water. They can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go, and store it efficiently in their bodies. Camels are herbivores and can eat thorny plants, Reindeer are excellent migrators. They are known for their incredible long-distance migrations. Some herds travel over 2,000 miles, 200 kilometers, every year, the longest migration of any land mammal. Sheep are social animals that live in flocks and form strong bonds with each other. They often become stressed or anxious when separated from their group. Sheep produce wool, a natural fiber that keeps them warm and is used by humans for clothing. One sheep can produce several kilograms of wool each year. Moose are the largest species of deer. Adult males, called bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 700 kilograms, and stand over 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall at the shoulder. Moose are excellent swimmers. They can swim for several miles at a time and even dive up to 20 feet. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. The gray wolf, Canis lupus, is the most well-known and widespread species. Wolves live and hunt in packs, which are tight family units typically made up of a breeding pair and their offspring. Dogs have been companions to humans for over 15,000 years, originally domesticated from wolves, and have served various roles such as hunters, protectors, and companions. A dog's hearing is far better than a human's. They can hear sounds in the range of 40 Hz to 60 kHz, compared to a human's range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Dogs have sweat glands only in their paws. To cool down, they primarily rely on panting and drinking water. Use ropes, planks, and even water hoses to carefully extract animals from the sticky mud. Each rescue mission is unique, from calming a nervous sheep to outsmarting a playful but stuck monkey. Along the way, you'll learn about animal care, teamwork,